Hello everyone. This video is for class 10 information technology subject code 402, and this is the continuation of previous video, and this is the third video of chapter 1. And I was telling you in previous video methods of communication. Okay, the methods of communication I mentioned to you, that is verbal communication, non-verbal communication and visual communication. Now let us see what they involves, what the verbal communication involves. Okay, so there is two ways the verbal communication can be done: through this oral communication, oral communication, and another one is the written communication, written communication. Okay, this oral communication, verbal communication includes the collection of words, composed words. Okay, so you can say that this oral communication is done through the spoken words, right? Written communication is written words. Okay, now come to see what is through the non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication refers to they are used for expressing sentiments, attitude or informations. Non-verbal is for expressing, it is for to express sentiments, attitude or information. In detail we will come to know, learn what are the different other ways are there for the verbal communication. Now you can see, you just see that what way the verbal communication is communicated: through the body, movement, gesture, right, facial expressions, symbols, facial expression, symbols, images, signal, charts, symbols, images and symbol charts. No. So now it will be very well clear to you that this non-verbal communication, it doesn't include any oral or any composed words of oral or the written. Okay, they are verbal communication includes the oral communication and the written communication, but non-verbal communication doesn't include any oral or written, any composed words. Okay, now so non-verbal communication, you have seen that it is used for expression, expressing the sentiments, attitude or information. Okay, now what is this visual communication? Okay, now let us see the visual communication is what we can see through our eye. Okay, what we can see through our eye, they are coming under the visual communication. Clear everyone? So any ideas or information which is conveyed in the form of visual form and that can be seen through the eyes, they are coming under the visual communication. Right now, so you can say that anything which can be seen through the eyes, okay, through eye, they are coming under the visual communication, right? So visual communication includes what? They includes, and one more thing I would like to tell you, that human mind, okay, human brain processes image very fast. They are very quickly understanding the images, the concept of images, right now, than any verbal or non-verbal communication. Clear? So what can be included in this verbal visual communication? This visual communication includes the signs, Okay, they includes graphics, right? They includes the diagram, clear? They are including the books, they are including the posters, they includes books, includes posters, okay, anything which we can see through our eyes, any different organization chart that can also be included there, okay, any type of graphs can be included there, graphs, right? So anything which we can see through our eyes, they are coming under the visual communication. Now when you will observe, or you just imagine your classroom environment, okay, what you will observe when your teacher is giving the lecture on any of the topic, so you will find out that there is the combination of involvement of verbal, there is the involvement of non-verbal and visual communication. This all three you will find out they are combined together, and in absence of any one of them, right, in absence of any one of them, that communication will never be the effective communication, right now. So we can say here that the visual communication when included in verbal communication, right now when they will, the visual communication will be included in the form of aids with the verbal communication, it makes the effective communication, right now. So verbal communication can be made effective communication when we will use the verbal communication. Either you can say that when visual communication added with the verbal communication, it becomes the effective communication. If the verbal communication will include visual communication, visual things as an add, so it will be the effective communication, right now. So verbal communication can be made effective. You can write here verbal communication can be made effective when visual aids included. Okay, verbal communication can be made effective when visual aids included, or when you will include the visual aids, the verbal communication will be effective, right everyone? So now you can take the example of anywhere, if you are talking, if you are trying to convey any message to your friends, right? So there also you will find out the role of the verbal communication along with the non-verbal communication, that is the expressions, right now. So verbal communication will again be not effective without any expression. Clear everyone? So this is the three different methods of the communication: verbal, non-verbal, visual communication, verbal communication, oral, and written communication. Okay, spoken words and the written words are included in the verbal communication, right everyone? And non-verbal, through non-verbal, it doesn't include any spoken words, means it doesn't include any sound. Okay, through non-verbal, you can see that here the body movement included in the non-verbal communication, gesture included, facial expression included here, symbols, images are included for the non-verbal communication. And with the visual, which we can see through our eyes, the signs, graphics, means any information when represented in the form of graphics, diagram, or you will read the books are there, the posters. Okay, informations are conveyed through the posters by drawing the pictures, graphs. So that becomes the visual communication, right everyone? So in next video we will see the verbal communication. Okay, thank you.